Hello everybody, this is me, CS5. I wanted to do a bit more filming with my Vengeance costume, which is kind of holding up the actual tutorial video. But to be honest, I think the new footage I got is a whole lot better than the one that I had previously. So I did a little bit of tweaks to the costume and some minor improvements. And I wanted to actually make the tutorial a whole lot better than what it actually was. So I'm making this little video just to let everybody know that I am not dead, I'm still alive, which is awesome because a lot of people have been messaging me asking where I've been, is everything okay? And everything actually is okay, everything's good. Just dealing with real life stuff, but to be honest, I'm very grateful that I actually done all of that real life stuff. This is just one of the few filming locations that I go to. A lot of people were asking what this was behind me in some of the videos. It's actually just a fallen tree that Mother Nature done ripped it out of the ground. So yes, the tutorial is coming out whenever I can get it finished. But again, I wanted to do some improvements to the costume, a little bit of improvement to the video itself. So okay, so there you go. There's a little update for everybody. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and sending me all the love and the messages. So all right, tutorial will be out very soon, guys. All right, bye.